In this video, we check out a local grassroots event after a very, very long off season, no thanks to coronavirus, and a few mechanical issues my car had. Time to do some in-car stuff. We're hanging out with my buddy Joe. What do you got in the car?
RB25 stock-ish.
Angle kit?
Villain.
Okay, so just cut knuckles and extended FLCAs?
Yep.
Hell yeah. We're about to set it. This car does great, and he drives great too. Tires are gone. The lovely sound of dead tires. So big up to Joe for giving us a ride, and now we're gonna get a couple of laps in Malcolm's 350Z. It'll be the first time I've driven a 350Z before. I'm excited. Given that it's a borrowed car and everything, I'm gonna try to keep it kind of easy. Okay. Not kicking for me. One of the things is on my 240, the e-brake is like up here. Like it ends right here, so I've got to like look and reach back and find it before I can use it. I'll probably just have to use only weight shift, which is fine. You just have a little bit less like safety margin. If something doesn't go the way that I want it to, basically, my options to recover are a little bit less. myself owning one of these.
They're pretty good cars.
They really are.
Reliable.
Don't take a whole lot. The main thing is like a car you don't have to engine swap. That adds so much time and complexity and money to a build. If you can just do a little bit of light NA tuning, put on a suspension and weld a diff and call it a day.
Yeah.
I mean, shit, are we in stock seats? Like, I'm not even noticing that I'm in a stock seat and seatbelt. This is great. Feels good.
Does it?
It does, man.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
That was awesome. Big shout out to Malcolm for letting me drive your 350Z. That was a really fun experience and a first for me, so I really appreciate that. Getting to drive a borrowed car at Mac Park is always a little bit daunting because it's a very tight track, and so you want to make sure you do everything right and don't go off. I had a little bit of trouble with the stock e-brake, mostly because of its positioning. Honestly, it's a little short, and the way that I like to sit a little closer to the wheel, I kind of felt like I had to reach behind myself to pull the e-brake, whereas on my 240, the e-brake is basically straight down from the steering wheel. So it was a little bit to adapt to, and it caused me to mess up the entry the couple times I tried to do a manji. So I decided to just start with a clutch kick, let it roll. The whole rest of the course flowed great. The car had good self-steering. It made pretty solid traction, enough torque. I wasn't all up in the red line by any means. It was pretty much full throttle almost all the time, but it had everything that it needed. And then when it needed a touch more, a clutch kick was just what the doctor ordered. So thanks a lot for that. This has been Full Lock Drift. It's our local event series at Mac Park, and thank you guys for being a part of the community, watching the video, hitting like, all that good stuff. I will see you next time. Peace.